Hope my screen is visible to you.
Yes, it is visible.
So today I'm going to performing on vendor open line item. How we will migrate from legacy to S4HANA. And for that I'm using this FIORI migrate data. Okay. So here I have created already the project. Okay, I'm just going to project. So this is the project I have already tested. So FI accounts payable open item. This is the name. So here predecessors are there. Like it means these are the required things. Before we performing this, we have to do this also. And here you people know we need to download the template, okay, in XML format. So I have already downloaded the file as well. So this is the file. So before starting this migration, like vendor open line items, always we need to migrate like line by line. Like if in a legacy system, suppose we are having 10 line items, okay, that 10 line items we need to transfer line by line. And while migrating, we have to understand the business need. Like what are the fields they want to migrate, and what are the fields they want to migrate from legacy to a new system. Uh, so we need to understand the business requirement, and also we have to check with them like what are the mandatory fields that we are expecting from the business. That also we need to check with the business while workshop. Uh, and also we have to prepare the FMD document, field mapping document, so that we will come to know which is mandatory from business side and which field is mandatory from system point of view. Okay. Those are the things we need to discuss. And just after that, like I'm going to migrate 2 line items. And while migrating, like we can create new document as well. So most of the things we have to like create a new document type. Okay. Uh, it is very useful to verify which document, which are what are the documents we have to migrate from legacy to new system. It is very useful to identify the line items. So that purpose, mostly they will create a new document type. So here I am like I am creating one more line item. Before that, I will just show what are the business partners like vendors are available in my system. So these are the vendors I have created. So I will take one of these. Like already I'm using this LG. Okay. Fine. So this is a business partner. Okay. If I assign the role, it will come a vendor also. Okay. This is a vendor supplier and this is a BP. Okay. And these are the details. One second. Yes, double zero. Here we can find all the vendor related details like reconciliation account, sort key, and everything. Here I have given the payment term. Okay. I will just take the details. Okay. My company code is AS 00. And this is the legacy document number. Okay, reference. We can give legacy document number. I'm just giving. This is the reference document number. Okay. Okay. Here line items. How many line items? This is first one. This is second one. Okay. And vendor, same vendor I'm taking. And this is offsetting GL. Okay. I already created offsetting GL. Let me show you. FS 00. So this one. So here two GLs are there. I will take this 43001. This data migration GL should be the balance sheet GL. Okay. And here, I'm taking KR document only. Okay. As of now, I'll take KR document. Here, document date. Okay. What is the document date in a previous system? That document date we have to take. For example, I'll show you. See, this is the document number. Okay, this is the document number. This is the posting number. Okay, that document number. What is there in previous system that we have to take here? Document date and header text. Whatever we want to write, we can write. And this is a transaction currency. Okay. See here. Transaction currency I have taken like in INR. So my company relates to India. So I have taken INR. Okay. And first of all, like this document date should be before the cutover date. Okay. Whatever we have given in the system cutover date, we should not like the cutover date document dates, all document dates should be the below the cutover date. Okay. Let me show you what I have given the cutover date. Okay. Ins underscore YG CT score. So this is my company code, and this is the cutover date. Okay. Cutover date means like uh, the point when we are transferring all the balances uh, from a legacy to a new system. Okay. I'm just giving like normal dates. Okay. I am think we have to careful like this date. Okay. Always this is a YYMMDD here. Like it is based on the template. Okay. Transaction currency is INR and amount. So here, like that vendor always in a like 1 second, I'll show you. So this is the transaction. Okay. So here the vendor is in credit. That means in minus. Okay. The migration GL is in debit. So it is positive. Okay. So here the vendor, we need to give this line like minus. Okay. Then it will come in credit side. Company code currency also. Okay. So here in my case, the same company code currency and transaction currency is same. So group currency, what you have given in the your system, that group currency. And this is the payment term. If you see here, like in vendor, like these are the payment terms that we need to give. Payment term I have given payable in 30 days. So I'm giving here. And this is the baseline date. Okay. So baseline date, what is the baseline date in legacy system that we need to give? Otherwise, if we did not give baseline date as a legacy system, like legacy system document date, so it will pick as a current date. Okay. This is the baseline date. Okay. Here it is a 3/10/2023 that we need to give here. Okay. So if we not given here, it will pick as a current date. Okay. In that case, that is wrong. Okay. So This is generally I'm giving, okay. In real time, we have to take like baseline date. Baseline date we have to take, otherwise it will take the current date. As a current date is what current date, the migration date. This date it will pick, okay. This date it will pick if we not given that one, okay. So I'm giving the baseline date, okay. What are the mandatory things we need to give, okay. So here profit center. So here I have these many profit center. I will give one of them. So I have given same. Like here, a document type, we can create a new one. Okay, when you create a new one, we have to activate document splitting. Otherwise, error will come. So this one I'm using the exist one KR one. So it is already activated the document splitting. And okay, so this is the vendor, and these are the offsetting GLs. Okay, so let me migrate. So here we'll test like whether it is picking like current date or what. Here in a baseline date, one I will give base date and one I am removing. Okay, let's see how it will migrate the data. So this is the project. I'm just uploading my file. Upload. So this is the file. These two are finished already. Here you can see finished. 1, 2. This is data transfer, data successfully transmitted to staging tables. Okay, just go back. See here, next, what is option next? Prepare. Okay, it will pick automatically. Prepare staging tables. See here running activity 1. We can monitor here also. Monitoring. See, this is the one. So it is finished. See, 0. Activity is running 0. And next is stimulate. Start simulation. Yes, it is done. Stimulating is done. So next, migrate. This is 100%. Okay, this is completed. Running activities 0. Okay. Let's see. Okay, this is the migrate GL. I'm just going FBL3. Okay. So these are the two line items. Okay, 4 and 5. These are the two line items I have migrated. Okay, we'll see. Like documented this one. I'll show you. So see, document date. This one I have taken. Okay, 10/3/2023. With the same it has taken 10/3/2023, and posting date is 28/6/2024. Okay. See, the baseline date is 4/10/2023. Here, what we have given. Okay, that one. In the second case, we haven't given anything. So I will take the next one out as well. What baseline has it has taken. Eleven 4/2023. So the same document date only it has taken. Okay. This is how the data migration will happen. Okay. Sorry, sir.
Yeah, so thank you so much. Anybody has any question? Venkat, do you have anything to ask?
No, sir.
Pallab, Samira, do you people have anything to ask to Ashok? Samira, do you have
No,
anything?
sir. No, sir.
Okay, I have question Ashok. I have
Yes.
only two question. First question is that how do you conduct workshop to collect the requirement to migrate the vendor open items? Okay, that is first
Okay.
question. Second question, when you are migrating the vendor open items from this tool, okay, migrate your data tool, what challenges you have faced? Okay, so can you tell how did you conduct the workshop with the client to migrate the vendor open items?
Like sir, uh, how what are the fields mandatory, like if suppose one line item is there, so for that what fields they want migrate, like mandatory things they want. Okay, so those fields like will note it down. And what are the system point of view, like in S4HANA, what are the mandatory fields in system side, what fields are required, that we will check with the business.
Okay, only that much, no other discussion done with the business. Have you not discussed that either they need separate document type, what should be the migration GL?
Yes.
Hmm?
uh, yes sir, document type, if they want new document type, like we can create a new document type if they want.
Have you
Like,
not discussed with them that please clear all the debit and credit from the vendor, so only net balances you will be migrating? Have you not told to them? Let's say they have one debit line item, one credit line item in the vendor line item. So will you migrate that those two line item, or you'll ask them to clear it? Do the clear.
will clear sir, clear.
So you'll ask business to clear it, right?
Yes sir.
Okay. Okay. Then have you not discussed what will be the profit center you'll populate while migrating, or you'll get the profit center in the legacy system for every line item?
Sorry sir, come again.
Profit center, how did you determine the profit center from the legacy system?
Profit center, like business
So
will only give us now.
have you posted any vendor line items? Normal way, have you posted any vendor line item? Do you have any line item? FBL1N, please go to FBL1N. FBL1N. In the any vendor do you have which you have done normal posting?
1 second sir, I'll check.
Always prefer working on table, okay?
Yes sir.
Don't go in T code. Go to LFB1. Always be smart in the table.
Yes
Okay,
sir.
let's say this is the line item you have to migrate, okay?
Okay.
Click on any document. Let's say this is what you have, okay?
Yes. Yes.
If you go in the BSIK table, okay, these are the line item you will find. But you need to load the any document or any vendor line item, you need profit center, correct?
Yes, sir. Profit center.
So how do you get the profit center? Let's say to make little more difficult, let's say they are using classic ECC where there is no profit center in the GLB one. So let's say they are using other than SAP where there is no profit center in all the line items. So how do you discuss that part? That's my question. You know, right? Profit center is mandatory, right?
Yes, sir.
But in vendor line item, you are not able to find out the profit center, correct?
Correct, sir.
Correct, right? If in ECC, if you are not doing the document splitting, then you may not get. In ECC also there is way of doing the splitting, okay? It is there. But let's say it is not there. So how do we discuss? That is my question. Let's say you are using Tally.
Okay.
You need profit center. So how do you discuss with the business about the profit center part?
Like how they want to like show the financial statements, like at what level, like apart from company code, other than company code, at what level they want to check the reports, like profit center.
That's correct. That's correct. But how do you get the profit center? Let's say they have 100 profit center. They have for which vendor line item, which profit center you derive, which profit center will give. How do you find out? So what I'm trying to tell, see, sometime let's say you are in ECC, if you are able to find out the profit center, you put that profit center. Wherever there is no possibility of getting the profit center, then we discuss with the business and we default some common profit center. Okay.
Okay.
You're getting, na?
Yes, sir.
So that we will do sometime. Okay.
So
that we have to discuss. Yeah.
So based on the transaction, we'll create separate profit center like that.
If you are able to find out the profit center at transactional level, take that one. If you are not able to find out, then you default to some common profit center. Okay, that common profit center they'll tell which will be the common profit center. Okay, na?
Yes.
So that you have to discuss. What else you'll discuss during the vendor open item discussion with the business? So you told that I will discuss which are the fields that want to migrate, which is the mandatory field, which is the optional field.
Yes.
Then you told that we'll also tell them these are the important fields from the system point of view. Okay. What else you'll discuss from the business? Any other point you'll discuss with the business? While doing the vendor open items migration. Okay, leave it, no problem. Good, you answered very well. Now next question, what challenges you have faced while using this template? Have you faced any challenge while using this template? Or let's say from int to int while doing migration, what challenges you have faced?
Like sometimes like date format and date formats, okay. And like if a document type we created new, okay. So document splitting was not activated, so we'll get an error, sir. Okay, that is one challenge, and date format challenge. Okay. And currency challenges also, sir. So like here company code currency is INR, for example. So suppose I have given USD, so like that is also one kind of challenge. We need to be very careful while transferring the vendor line items to new S4HANA. This kind of challenges.
Okay, no problem. Yeah, very nice, nicely explained, Ashok. Thank you so much. Okay, thank you so much. It was really explained very well. Yeah, thank you. Thank you. Please practice data migration is very, very important. Okay, you have taken only minus scenario. You would have taken one positive scenario also. Means on credit memo also you have taken.
Sir, here one question I got, sir, here.
Ask me.
So here, the date I have not given a baseline date. Okay, sir.
If you don't give, then it will take immediate payment terms. You know, immediate payment term, that will be considered. Okay, immediate payment terms. And
Yes, sir.
yeah, immediate payment terms it will be considered.
So I thought like cutoff date it will take.
No, it will not.
Okay.
So terms of payment you have given, na? Terms of
Yes.
payment 001.
Yes,
Go in that 001, check what no P001 you have given or
no, sir.
001.
D. Yes,
So
D001 I have.
what baseline date you have selected? Document date.
Document date is the baseline.
So it will select the document date.
Yes, sir. Okay.
So this is also one of the point you have to discuss with the business. Whatever information is available at the document level of posted document, that information you have to take rather than picking from the vendor master. Let's say payment term, you have to pick what is given in the posted document. Okay. Maybe in the document it is different, maybe in vendor master it is different. So you have to give preference to document. Baseline date you have to pick from the document date. If any payment method is updated a document, you have to take from the document. Any payment block indicate everything first you have to focus the document. Okay, document label. Okay, na? FBL1L label. If it is not available, then by default it will derive from the vendor master. Okay, let's say you are not giving any payment term in the while loading the vendor open item, then it will take from the vendor master. Okay, na?
Okay.
You got it now? What I'm telling?
Yes.
So this is one of the important point you have to discuss. Not discuss. This is the best practice we have been following. First preference you have to give to the document. Okay. Yeah. And one thing I have to focus. If you are using this template, it will work fine. But if you are building your own template, that time you have to make sure that baseline date, whatever giving at the document level, that is picking. Okay. And calculating aging is correct, calculating properly, because sometimes it calculates wrongly. Okay, now so you have to verify field by field everything is calculating correct or not.